Hi, this is Andrew Lowe. I'm a certified SolidWorks expert with Javelin Technologies, and in this tech tip video we'll be looking at the fill pattern and how we can use it to quickly create complex pattern geometry on our parts. So here I've created this circular disc, and I'd like to turn it into a type of grate, perhaps with some holes cut into it. And if it was circular in nature, I could create a cut in the middle here where I have the mouse and create a second cut, a third cut, fourth cut, and use the circular pattern tool. But I can actually use the fill pattern and do it all in one nice feature. So first thing I need is to build a sketch to show the direction our pattern is going to go in. So I'm going to right click on the face and I'll create just a quick line here, snap it to vertical, and exit out of the sketch. So now I'm going to grab the fill pattern tool, and I need to select the fill boundary. So I grab this face here. This is where SolidWorks is going to fill our feature in. And the next thing I'll select is the pattern direction. And I'm going to grab that sketch line we have before to give a direction for our pattern. Now normally if I was using a pattern I'd already create the hole, but with the fill pattern I have the nice option to create a seed cut. So I selected this, SolidWorks is automatically going to build a cut into my model for me. So let's look top down on the model and see what's going on here. So right now the pattern layout type is perforation. So I have some options of changing the angle, say 45, 30 degrees, change the distance in between my perforations. I can also give a margin to the outside of the part. See how by changing it to 2 we've added some extra instances of the pattern. In this case I'd like to use the circular pattern layout, and when I grab that I have slightly different options. I have some spacing in between each of my loops, and then I have spaces in between the instance of the loops. Once again I have the margin, so see here it's now creating a row of holes and circular patterning them around automatically for me. So maybe if we change the spacing down to 10 and 10 here, see it keeps building, and let's take our margin to 1 mil, and a nice grate feature. So let's click OK, and see how easy it was to build a complex part, all one feature, nice quick rebuild time. So I hope you've taken something out of this quick tech tip. Fill pattern is an excellent tool if you have a face that needs to quickly have holes cut through it. Nice feature is the seed pattern, where we don't actually have to have a feature. See how simple our tree is. A sketch and the fill pattern. Thanks.